We are doing a Wimbledon cooking rally.
We don't know what we're making yet, but points are determined by how well or poorly we follow the recipe.
Game on!
Wow.
What's this?
This scares me. There's quite a few ingredients. I'm expecting some sort of trifle, something along those lines. Maybe a tiramisu-y.
Trifle tiramisu.
Trifle.
That's what it is. One of us has got to start. The only way we can decide fairly is by flipping a coin. Heads.
Ah.
Shitballs.
I win. So you're going to start first.
All right, see you then.
Cool. Good luck.
Right, I am first. Create a custard layer, flavour of your choice. Custard bowl, flavour of your choice. So custard, a mixture of heated egg yolks and cream, and you can infuse it. I like to go for plain custard. All of these eggs, and then quite a lot of that cream. I'd be scared if I came in as a pan of boiling water with something on it. Egg yolks go in, slowly heating up until it coats the back of the spoon. Oh no, that's not good. It's like making whipped cream. I think I put some chocolate in. Yeah, God, have I just gone mental? I think I've gone mental. Crazy time. Have I just f***ed it up? Can I go and get some sugar? Can I? Oh Jesus. In you go.
Right, I don't know what's going on now. So Hugh's making his own custard here, and he's got some eggs, some cream, and he's got some white chocolate. So he's making a white chocolate custard layer. We do have custard here. We could just add this to a bowl. I'm gonna do that. I don't know what the f he's doing. Right, well, there's custard. There you go. I'm just gonna leave that and present to you my bowl of custard. I won this round.
Why?
Because I made custard layer.
You just got it out of the fridge. It's not making custard. Oh, great, wow. Round two.
You wanna call it?
Tails. No, heads.
Heads. You know what? I'll give you this round. You can choose.
I'll go first.
Okay, bye.
Make whipped cream. Okay. All right, so I'm being timed, aren't I? Shit. Okay, right. God, it's thick. I'm gonna whip the cream. I'm going to squeeze some of those passion fruits into it, but I need a knife. Can I have a knife, please? Oh my God, that's a horrible old egg. That's nasty, horrible gunk. Right, so what I've done, I've whipped up some cream, passion fruits in they go. Yummy! Yeah, it's nice, subtle passion fruitiness. Round complete. Did I complete the round? I made some
what was it?
Whipped passion fruit cream.
That was an easy one. Looks great.
Anyway, it's round 3 time.
Maybe I'll call it this time. I'm gonna say tails. Shit. It's heads.
It's heads. I want a little rest. Rest these calves. So you can go. You can take this one.
Okay.
Break
Thank
a leg.
you very much. Make a jelly or jam layer, flavour of your choice. Right, well, I'm not gonna have time to make jam from scratch, so I'm gonna do the same thing I did last time, and I'm gonna empty out the jelly into a bowl. Sorry about the mess, I'll clean it up. This is lovely. This is what I trained to do. This is what I thought I'd be doing. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Maybe I'll leave some raspberries for decoration. Tastes like jelly with raspberries in it, it's delicious. I'm just so cheating, but I don't care.
Hello.
Hello. So I won this one.
Looks like sick.
Which was to create a jelly or jam layer. So this was all I could do in the given time to create a whole layer of jelly. Next round.
I would like to be tails.
It is tails.
Is it tails?
It is tails.
I'll take this one then.
Okay.
Off you go.
Okay.
Hello. Soap biscuits or cake with something? With something? What? Oh, hang on. Cherry flavoured booze. Is it not booze? All right, we get some vodka. Body. Oh, it tastes like my childhood. Chuck it in there. Yeah. No, I think this is good. I think I'm going to win this round because I've done what it said on the tin, right? You know, I did read it properly this time. I don't know what it's supposed to be though. But anyway, I think that's it. Ding, 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 ding.
So you won again then?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
What did you soak them with?
Yeah, wouldn't you like to?
I would like to know.
I found some cherry stuff in their cupboard and then I put some vodka in it. I drank some of the vodka.
Oh. I'll call it this time. Heads. Darn.
Tails.
Tails.
I'm gonna go again. Next, roundy poos. Cut fruit and any other ingredients. Okie dokie, easy peasy. All of them in 5 minutes. Bloody Nora, fucking hell. Okay, cut the fruit up. I think I can cut all this fruit in 5 minutes. I mean, it doesn't say how you should cut the fruit, to be fair. He's gone crazy. Don't do this at home. I'd say I'm finished, yeah. Oh no, it says, and other ingredients, doesn't it? Okay, I don't want her to win. I don't want her to win. Okay, right, that's all of the ingredients chopped up. I'm saying I'm finished now.
This is not fair.
Why not? It's the rules of the game. Cut fruit and any other ingredients.
Did you cut this?
Cutting is tearing. It's a debate, isn't it? Time for the next round. Tails.
It's heads.
What are you gonna do then?
I'm gonna go.
Right,
I'm gonna go now.
See you now.
Toast a crunchy topping. Woo! Well, I'm gonna use this as my crunchy topping then. Whoops. I'm gonna do a light toast on these. See how much time I got left, and if I have time, then I might kind of toss them in some honey. I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil in. Yay, they're toasting. If I don't have time to do the honey, does that mean I've lost? Look at that color. I'd say they're pretty toasted. Don't tell me they're not crunchy.
I can smell almonds.
I toasted some almonds.
Oh, cool. So you've actually done some cooking.
I did something, I did something. Next coin flip.
I would like Tails to win. Oh, it's hot.
Tails.
Yes. So yeah, I'll go. I'll take it. She can get out. Next task. Layer. That's it. Right, this bowl we're using, because I think it's going to be a trifle / tiramisu, vibey, summertime nice thing. So some of the passion fruit cream, looking a bit funky times, but that's fine. Some jam. So normal trifle is normally some variation of custard, jelly, and like bits of cake. And it's kind of like, you know, rough and ready. The joy is in the mess. Some strawberries, big bloody handful of those. Just layering it up. Cake, cream down. But I don't think I am going to finish this in 5 minutes. But you say I can do anything. I'm going to hide the trifle, and she can spend 5 minutes looking for it. He's crazy. I'm just going to wait until it's my go again, and I'll finish it, and then I've won.
Where did the cream go? What? What's happening? Where's the dish? In the freezer? What the hell? Where is it? Am I being really stupid? Don't know. Don't know where it is. I'm just gonna make another one. I don't understand what's going on. I'll just take his ingredients. Here we go. Jelly. I really hate this. I don't understand where it's gone. I don't know if it's right in front of me, but I can't find it. So I'm just making another one. I've got a layer of ladyfingers. I've got cream, strawberry and raspberry jelly, cake. I've got strawberries, custard, and almonds. This feels like a weird victory, but I layered all the ingredients. I did it. What did you do?
Huh?
Where was it?
I'm not going to tell you.
Okay, well I did mine.
Spencer's won, hasn't she? On that round, yeah.
I looked. For half of my time I was looking.
I can imagine, yeah. Next round! Next round!
Okay, heads. It's tails.
Okay, I'm going to unfortunately go first. Decorate, layer and decorate. Well, this is going in the bin, unfortunately. No, okay, I'm gonna go with this. I'll decorate both. She got me though. Didn't think she'd make another one. I thought she'd just be stumped. My tactic is I'm just gonna try and finish both of them. Strawberries, big lovely pile of strawberries on top. And that's it, right? It's the last round. So I think we've used all the ingredients up. She was running around like a headless chicken, I bet. I don't know if I want anything else from around the room. I think that's, you know, gilding the lily a little bit. So a bit of honey on the top, yeah. Why not? Yummy. Great. I think I've decorated hers. I've kind of decorated mine. So I won the last round.
You decorated, I see, it's beautiful.
Tie break. How on earth are we going to
do
get out of this one? Let's try it.
So we were right, it is a trifle.
God. I like it.
The nuts are quite
Bloody
right.
hell, the booze in there. It's like,
I haven't got any booze, wait.
it's strong.
Oh, yours is a lot more, yours is all cream.
Yeah.
Ooh,
I think I prefer mine.
the booze is so strong in that.
Boozy. I think mine's nice in hers.
You stole all the cream.
So I stole all the cream. I think I was most innovative in my skullduggery and cunningness.
I was scrappy. I brought it back.
You did, yeah. I think I won, but only by cheating. which is fine. Wow, that was amazing. I won. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy Wimbledon.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Oh.
Oh, you missed.